Ensuring Windows security is essential for your PC, but it can sometimes encounter issues. So in this video, we will show you how to address it. So to start, manually enable Windows security by searching for security, open the application, click Virus and Threat Protection, go to Manage Settings, and then turn on the Microsoft Defender. Now you have to confirm the action by clicking Yes in the pop-up window. Next, keep Windows updated by going to Settings, select Windows Update, and then click Check for Updates to search and download for any available updates. Now if the problem still persists, consider disabling your third-party antivirus. Do it by going to Settings, go to Apps, select Apps and Features, search for your antivirus, click More Options, and then choose Uninstall on your third-party antivirus. After doing that, restart your Windows 11 and check if the issue with Windows security is resolved. Now another possible fix is to run an SFC and DISM scan by opening Command Prompt with the admin rights. Type in the following commands one by one, and then press Enter. Now once done, simply restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And that's what you should do if you're having problems with Windows security in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.